and they learn from their ups and downs. Though their population is very low from us, for example, China, which was one of the highly populous country in the previous years and was ranked first, it is now a very developed country, though within its population. First, it was a struggling and poor country, but it learned from its ups and downs and improved its country's economy, its people's living lifestyles, and developed in every sector.
I do agree with your point, sister, but I confidently support development because with but Brundtland Commission report 1976, it stated that sustainability for the first time, and sustainability, the report has been gone through 36 years and there is only 12% implemented in all over the world. So I confidently support development.
See, development means not only for a certain period of time, but also development should be done throughout for a long period. That should compulsory benefit the future generations, and it also should benefit us now, right? So many plans should be implemented so that our future generations should be developed. Like they should be benefited by our development. So I think development should be benefited to all and also our future generations.
I agree with your point, sister, but I think so. The value of money is being increasing day by day. If people want to live in this situation, development is required to create many job opportunities, and also without development, people may not be satisfied much, because sustainable development is not for only one, it is for all. But if people want to survive in these situations, development is required for their survival, because development creates many job opportunities to them.
Yes, brother, I do agree with your point, but we all wasted time during this development. But we can replace sustainable development in development. We wasted all this time in this development. In this time, we will be succeeded in sustainable development. Why will we not try to?
What you said is correct, brother. Development must be done, but what kind of development you are talking is in a short-term development. It is after some time it will cause much loss to the nation and the world also. It will also cause environmental degradation. So after long time, people will suffer with many problems.
Speak for everyone. Everyone should speak.
I disagree with your point, brother, because development is done not only economically, it should be done socially. People should appear with the problems that in the society, and the government should take the necessary steps. For example, if you take Mumbai as an example, Mr. Hafiz Contractor, a great architect in India, who constructed many buildings, monuments, which are still now alive.
I do agree with your point, sister. Like office contractor in our India, many people are there, but should give all them opportunity. We should bring social equality in every member. So sustainable development can bring that social equality in every future architect or engineer. They can also become more greater than office contractor. This is my opinion.
Okay, brother, as you said, social equality. How can sustainability bring social equality in our country? Social equality is that related to the development which you are seeing right now.
Sustainable development enables people to access the education resources and all the opportunities which are provided by this sustainable development. But when you go with development, it is it can be done very fastly, but in the long run it affects all the living beings.
Come on, make it faster, no?
Brother, I agree with your point, but if we will develop very fastly means we will get our resources like book, pen, 10 times faster, 10 times faster intelligence will be get in our human hand, which will make every human being like a powerful man in a area.
I do agree with your point, brother. You said we can make things very faster. But some people are using that as a loophole, and they're destroying the means. For example, if you said we can produce paper as fast as we can, but they're encouraging deforestation, and this is leading to the destruction of the earth. What is your opinion on this?
As you said, when it is done more fastly, we know that slow and steady wins the race. We should take everybody's opinion in this place or in this country. When everybody's opinion is taken, only one kind of development will be take place. It will be a very good development for everybody, but not for only the people who are thinking that it must be like a development for only some people. It must be sustainably development for every citizen of any country.
Yes. Bro, it is your point is, brother, your point is very nice. We'll get all the intelligence and the superiority power from the intelligence technology from the computers. We can grow the trees, and we can artificially give birth to so many animals like tigers, like mammoth in the past so many years ago. The intelligence we are getting some intelligence right now.
Okay, brother, I do have a doubt that can't we achieve green earth without sustainable development? We can use many other ways. If we develop one area, plant trees in another area, and we can make our earth green, right?
To agree with your point, sister, you said that if we develop a area, we can plant trees. But more than planting trees, we are encouraging more deforestation to construct the infrastructure or skyscrapers. Instead of that, if we encourage sustainable